Welcome back to EVAI Labs. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning, the full-size electric truck that has redefined what a pickup can be in the era of electrification. Ford's Lightning has been one of the most talked about EVs in the United States, combining the rugged utility of a traditional F-150 with the efficiency, instant torque, and innovation of a battery electric powertrain. With the 2026 model, Ford continues to refine the formula, offering improvements in performance, technology, and usability that make it a compelling choice for truck enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 F-150 Lightning keeps the familiar bold F-150 presence while adopting modern EV styling cues. The front end features a sleek, closed grille, accented by sharp LED headlights that give the truck a confident and slightly aggressive look. The hood is sculpted with subtle lines that enhance aerodynamics, and the bumper integrates functional air intakes for cooling while maintaining a clean design. From the side, the truck retains the classic F-150 proportions, including the muscular wheel arches and tall stance, but the smoother lines and aerodynamic touches help reduce drag and improve efficiency. The bed remains spacious and versatile, and Ford has introduced the innovative front trunk, or frunk, which offers additional secure storage space and demonstrates how EV architecture can enhance utility. The rear features bold taillights that stretch across the tailgate, a familiar F-150 design with a modern EV twist, and the overall design communicates capability and strength without looking overly futuristic. Inside, the 2026 Lightning offers a cabin that blends traditional truck functionality with cutting-edge technology. The interior features a fully digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen with the latest sync interface, offering seamless smartphone integration, cloud-based updates, and EV-focused driving information. Materials feel robust and high quality, with soft touch surfaces, durable plastics, and comfortable seating for long drives or worksite use. The front seats are spacious and supportive, while the rear bench provides ample legroom for passengers. Storage solutions are abundant, with clever compartments throughout the cabin, and the interior layout ensures that controls are intuitive and easy to reach, keeping the focus on both comfort and functionality. Noise insulation has improved compared to earlier models, making the cabin quieter and more refined, which is especially noticeable during city driving or on long highway trips. Performance is where the F-150 Lightning truly shines. The 2026 model comes with multiple powertrain options, including single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive, giving buyers the choice between efficiency and maximum capability. Acceleration is instant, thanks to the electric motors, and the truck handles towing and payload demands with impressive strength, making it one of the most capable electric pickups on the market. Battery range is competitive, with estimates sufficient for daily driving and longer trips, while DC fast charging support ensures minimal downtime during road trips or work duties. Ford has also refined regenerative braking to feel natural, allowing for more controlled driving in urban environments and enhancing overall efficiency. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Pro Trailer Backup Assist, further elevate the Lightning's usability and safety. Pricing for the 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning positions it competitively in the full-size electric truck segment. While full-size electric trucks are naturally more expensive than traditional gas-powered models, the Lightning delivers value by combining capability, technology, and practicality. Base models are aimed at buyers looking for a functional, reliable electric work truck, while higher trims offer premium features, extended range, and luxury touches that appeal to mainstream consumers. Federal and state EV incentives further enhance affordability, making the Lightning accessible to a wide range of buyers who want the benefits of electric mobility without compromising the utility of a traditional full-size pickup. The 2026 F-150 Lightning is more than just an electric version of a classic pickup. It represents a major shift in the way Americans think about trucks, proving that electric power can meet the demands of towing, hauling, and off-road capability while offering a smoother, quieter, and more technologically advanced driving experience. Ford has succeeded in creating a vehicle that is both practical and forward-thinking, appealing to traditional truck buyers while also attracting new audiences who are excited about the potential of EVs. With the Lightning, the full-size truck segment is evolving, and the 2026 model demonstrates that electric pickups can be just as capable, versatile, and desirable as their gasoline-powered counterparts.